What's going on, y'all? So let's talk about the home buying process. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to detail the general steps that you're going to follow from showing an interest in buying the home all the way down to getting to the closing table. I'm going to treat this video like a buyer consultation. So you've done the very first step, which is reach out to a real estate agent. We're going to have you speak with the lender, and that lender is going to explain to you the different programs they have in place and basically going to come up with a number that you can afford, what you can qualify for. Now that you're pre-approved and we know your price point, we can go out and shop for a house within your budget. Okay, so we're shopping around and we found the house that you want. So now at this step, we're gonna put in an offer. Once your offer is accepted, now what we wanna do is we wanna do a very important step, and that is get a home inspection. I'll give more details on why the home inspection is extremely important, but I'll just say this: you wanna know what's going on with the home before you buy it, just to make sure that you're not getting something that you really don't want. After the home inspection is complete, what you want to do now is submit your earnest money deposit. And again, I'll go over the earnest money deposit in more detail, but just understand that this step can go before the home inspection as well. Just depends on the terms of your contract. After having a successful home inspection and you want to move forward with the process, now you want to order your appraisal. The appraisal is important because it's going to determine what the value of your home is. And keep in mind, the home inspection is for the buyer, the appraisal is for the lender. After the lender has received all documentation and everything checks out as far as with the underwriter, you're going to receive a clear to close. And now we're at the last step, and that is the closing. The closing is typically held at a closing attorney's office. Be ready to sign a lot of documents. Once you sign all your documents, the closing is complete, and now you have the keys to your home. This is a general overview of what it looks like to purchase a home. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to have some follow-up videos to detail each step that I mentioned. Please understand that each step is not exact, and there are different variations of this step depending on the market that you're in. Be sure to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. You can also scan the QR code below and we can connect.